Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to discuss what you should do if you ever find yourself in a roadside emergency. As we get into the winter season with the slightly more slippery roads, it's good to have a plan in case something happens. So if you ever find yourself stuck on the side of the road, it's a good idea to keep an emergency kit in the back of your car with just a few items like jumper cables, an emergency blanket, some water bottles, and hand warmers, because obviously it gets cold here. Now, if you do find yourself in an unfortunate situation, whether the car breaks down or you slide into a ditch or anything, run out of gas, if you bought a new or certified pre-owned Kia, I'll show you, there's a sticker right here in your window. And you just call this number, 1-800-333-4KIA, and no matter where you're at in the country, we can get someone sent out, dispatched right to you, and if need be, get you towed to the nearest service center. Otherwise, if you just need a little bit of gas, you can get topped off. Whatever you need, basically like AAA stuff, but it's included with your car. So if you have any questions about how to make sure your car is ready for winter, just shoot our service center a call or stop by today.